Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cardano. The price line of Cardano has broken out the resistance of the down channel on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line will be moved up from here, it will be moved down back inside this channel. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. First of all, I would like to show you this chart that I shared back in June for my members at the Patreon, and I also have been sharing this chart with you as well. And this was a big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move that was completed on the 4-day time frame chart, and the price line entered the buying zone, and it was very close to the end of this buying zone. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line reversed bullish and even rallied up to $3.10. That was more than 140% move so far. Now, after some correction, the price line is likely to start another move from here, because if we switch to the daily live time frame chart, then here we can observe that this channel, the formation of this channel, was started back on 24th of August, and the price line was not able to break out the resistance of this channel, and even not able to break down the support as well. Right now you can see the price line has recently broken out this resistance of the channel here on this candlestick on 1st of October, and after this breakout, it is likely to move down for the retest, and after retesting the channel, it can be moved up from here. But it is also possible that it will move up without retesting the channel, because while the price line has broken out this resistance of the channel, at the same time it has almost formed a symmetrical triangle as well. This can be the support, and this can be the resistance. So we have several touches at the resistance that is established now, and we have 1, 2, 3 touches here, and then we have a big gap, and then we again have 1, 2, 3 touches here. So the support is quite established. However, if we'll have one more bounce, then this support will be confirmed. I'm expecting that the price line will have another bounce from here, and then after this breakout, for example, if you're not able to buy it here during this breakout, then you can buy after this breakout. You can wait for the price line to break out this resistance, and after the confirmation of the breakout, you can place your buying orders. Now, if you're thinking about the targets, then first resistance that the price line had previously here can be our first target. That is approximately here at $2.06, and after breaking out this level, the final target can be here, that is approximately at $3. And if this resistance level will be broken out, then we can expect a long-term rally, because this is a really very strong and key level resistance for the price line. And the most important thing that I have found on this chart that is indicating that the price line will soon break out this resistance, and it can also break out the next resistance levels as well, is a bullish divergence appeared on the chart. If you take a look at the price line here, it was forming lower highs, even lower high, and here we had another lower high. But if you take a look at the RSI, then it was also forming the lower highs, but after this lower high, it has formed another higher than previous high, and the price line has formed lower high. So RSI is indicating that there is a bullish divergence on the chart. Therefore there is a strong probability for the breakout very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you. Take care. Goodbye.